Anna here. Welcome in my video for Hip Kit Club. Today I am working with September kits. My October kits are still on its way and I am hoping to get them this week. And the theme for this week is all about you. So we have to scrap our pictures or stories of our life, whatever we feel, float our boat. And I decided to use a selfie I took this year, so it's a kind of a fresh selfie. I'm not that selfie person to have like a tons of them on my phone. And I will be using pictures of kind of a stuff that defines me, that are the most important for me. And I have a picture of my family, of course, because this is the essence of my life and the reason I wake up every morning. My two daughters and my hubby. Another part that is very important in my life are travels. I love to travel and I can never have enough of travels. And of course my scrap room and scrapbooking is major part of my life. My design teams, my friendships, half of my day is related to scrapbooking. And the fourth picture is my cute doggy, Pirat. He is 11 years old. He's a beagle and we love him very, very much. And I decided to put myself in the middle of the composition and surround myself with the things I love and the things that matters the most for me. And when I'm happy with the arrangement, I snapped a picture so I will be able to easily recreate my page. I put it out, I took it off everything and I sew around the page using the sewing machine and the white thread. And now I'm ready to glue down the pieces of my composition. And now I'm reaching to the picture so I can easily recreate the composition of my page. I am using Pink Fresh Studio Indigo Hills paper for my background. It's included into the September main kit as other Indigo Hills products like the chipboard stickers. They are those frames I'm using right now. And some ephemera pieces. I cutted out the houses from one of the papers from Willow Lane collection by Crate Paper. We got a lot of it last month and this month we also have some bits and pieces. I am adding pieces of cardstock beneath each of my pictures to add a little bit of dimension to my page. Frames are thick, so they are adding dimension too. So why I used houses? Because home and house are the major part of my life because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I basically spend most of my day at home and I only go to pick up the girls from the school and preschool. I scrub there, I cook, I clean. I live my whole life at home. I have no daily job to go there, so home is also a major part of my life. I would say the biggest one because almost everything happens at home, not counting travels, of course. That's why I decided to use homes as a piece of my kind of a circle that surrounds me. I have the basic composition and now I am adding bits and pieces. I decided to use those arrows. They are from Vicky Boutin, the Fields Notes collection. And now I am creating a title. It will be nothing unusual. It will be all about me. But as you can see, I was trying to arrange it somehow to, take the free space I have around my picture. So I didn't press the stickers to the paper. I just lightly put them and I was trying to, match them here and there, moving them, and in the end you will see how it ended. Those are from Willow Lane collection too. I really, really like this collection and I love those stickers. They have fun shapes and different colors and they are totally my style. and we are getting almost into the final result of the title. I have some free space around the picture, and I'm going to add some embellishments later, but I'm starting from the biggest things and I'm moving into the smallest ones. I'm also adding like kind of a subtitles. I'm adding a family over the family picture. I will add travels over the picture from Greece that we visited in September, and I will also add scrap room under the picture of my craft space, and I will add I don't remember, pirate or dog, or my dog. I think it's pirate because he's also the part of my life. He's my daily companion when no one is at home. He follows me everywhere. He has his own bed in my scrap room where I spend my mornings uh, creating or writing posts for you, of course, or recording videos. It's a pirate. His name is Pirate, like you know, the R pirate from the Caribbeans, and he's wearing a hat that belongs to my younger daughter. He was sitting for a few seconds with it, so I had time to snap some picture. Um, all the pictures I taken are taken in color. They are not black and white, and I was worried that it will be just too much of color, but when I added so many other colors in embellishments, they really blended in perfectly. I'm almost done with creating the page. I'm moving into the smaller pieces. Now I'm searching for some chipboard hearts. They are from the same Indigo Hills chipboard stickers, and I'm placing them here and there. It will also add some texture to my composition, and I am happy, to use up my embellishments. I am trying to not to be a hoarder. I'm trying to use up the kits as much as I can before I will move to my next one. I'm not, sad that I used something. I'm always happy to finish embellishments. And now I'm looking for something for this space on the right side of my selfie, and I decided to use this purple day by day inscription because it's all about me, and it happens day by day, every day, almost every day, because travels doesn't happen every day. Sorry for my voice, it's a late evening and I already have my voice worn out through the day, so I'm kind of used. Right now it's time to go to sleep finally, and I finished my composition using enamel dots from Indigo Hills collection, and here is the final page, a few close-ups of my finished layout. I didn't use any mixed media today, so I'm hoping it will be still interesting for you, my thought process. And I didn't cut out anything of the video, only the part when I'm sewing, so it exactly looks like that when I scrapbook this page. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check Hip Kit Club site for kits and more details. Bye bye!